Hi everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight I got a vacuum cleaner joined into my collection yesterday. Yesterday I went to the Emporium store. I bought it at Saba's Emporium store. Got it for $10. And the other Dirt Devil handheld I bought yesterday, it was $8. I bought that at the local thrift store nearby my old house where I used to live. And I wanted to say to you guys, I will not be running this in the video tonight because I don't want to wake my uncle up and anything like that, because my uncle is asleep and he doesn't want to hear this vacuum cleaner tonight. And also I'm doing a review on my Ricarr I got yesterday for $10. And I actually kind of cleaned it up, made it brand new, and also it looks brand new to me, and I'm going to use it to use it for my vacuum cleaner videos. And it has an on and off power switch, and this right here, it says check the bag right there, and it came with a hose, crevice tool, a wand, like that. You can reach through a bunch of corners to vacuum up something. And is that cool or what? Tomorrow I'll do a video on it. And the crevice tool right here looks pretty small. It's for cleaning up dust and dirt. And this is for cleaning up furniture, for cleaning up a bunch of dirt. Well, anyway, you guys, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.